Another question based on laws of exponents. Here we have 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 multiplied by 125 whole upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5, and we have to simplify this whole problem. Here we have 2 negative powers, here also we have 2 negative powers. Now look at these, there are no common bases, so we can't apply the laws of exponents directly here in any of these. So first thing first, what we will do is convert these negative powers to positive powers. And how do we do that? We will change the denominator to numerator and we will bring these negative powers down so that they become positive. So in the first step, I will write it as 5 to the power positive 7, I am bringing it up, into 6 to the power positive 5, it was negative 5 here, I am bringing it in the numerator so it becomes positive, into 125 as it is, upon these negative powers I am going to bring it to the denominator, so this will become 3 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. Now what are we observing here? We are observing that all the powers have become positive. Now we will break up this 6 into 3 and 2, and we can break up this 10 into 5 into 2. So this will become 5 to the power 7 into, we can break the 6 into prime factors, so that will be 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 5 into this 125 I can write as 5 to the power 3, because 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. So we can convert 125 as 5 cube upon 3 to the power 5 as it is, and this we can write as 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 5. So by doing this, we have simplified this in the prime factor form, lowest form. Next step, what we are going to do is open the bracket. So this will become 5 to the power 7 into 2 and 3 whole to the power 5 means 2 also is raised to the power 5 and 3 is also having power of 5. So this will be 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 3 as it is, upon 3 to the power 5 here, into 2 into 5 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So if there are common terms, now we can cancel that. So we find that there is a 3 to the power 5 in the numerator and a 3 to the power 5 in the denominator. So we can cancel that 3 to the power 5. We are also able to see there is a 2 to the power 5 in the numerator as well as denominator. So we can cancel out that as well. So what are we left with? 5 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 3 upon 5 to the power 5. We observe that all of them are having base of 5. So if all of them are having a base of 5, then we can simplify that. This will become 5. The power here is 7 and the power here is 3. So this can be written as 7 plus 3 upon 5 to the power 5. Now adding the powers, we get 5 to the power 10. This will be 5 to the power of 10 upon 5 to the power 5. Now laws of exponents, x to the power a upon x to the power b is x to the power a minus b. So the final answer we are going to get 10 minus of 5. So the answer will be 5 to the power of 5. So we have been using laws of exponents here. In the first step, we have converted the negatives to the positives. All the power which were negative powers have been converted to positive by taking their reciprocals. So this has become positive. Then we split 6 and 10. 6 we have split into 2 into 3 and 10 we made it into 2 into 5 and then opened the brackets. When we opened the brackets, we found that some of the terms are cancelling and the remaining terms which were left, we saw that the bases were same, and if bases are same, we can add the powers in case of multiplication and we can subtract the powers in case of division. So final result we get is 5 raised to the power 5.